This is Village Auto's 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT with a stow and go rear seats. Very clean two-owner van, accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. The rear wiper, rear defrost, power rear lift gate, LA wheels with 4 brand new tires, privacy glass, dual power sliding doors. Very well maintained van. This one does come equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 motor along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $9,880. Let's get inside here for you. Like I said before, this one does have a stow and go rear seats. This is a 7-passenger minivan. The rear heating AC controls. Very, very clean, as you can see. We do have the full power options. Power driver's side seat. AM/FM CD player with the MP3 capability, auxiliary input, dual climate controls, the econ mode, steering wheel cruise control along with info controls. You also have the adjustable foot pedals and the steering wheel audio controls. All together very clean, very well maintained van that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT home with you today.